Hello dear students, I'm Saurabh with the new video Nutrition in Animal Part 2. Dear student, in previous video we have discussed about what is nutrition and what is digestion. Dear student, nutrition is the process of utilization of the nutrients and the digestion is the process of breaking down of food from complex to the simpler form. It is called digestion. Now moving towards the next part, in this video we will discuss about how the digestion process occurs in the human beings. So let's move towards the next slide. Human digestion. The main part of the digestive systems are buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and then anus. This is the buccal cavity, esophagus, also called food pipe. Then after stomach, this stomach has been divided into the three parts: jejunum, duodenum, and caecum. Then after there is small intestine, and then after there is large intestine, and last one is anus, or you can say rectum, from where the waste of the food comes out. Now the mouth, or also called the buccal cavity. Mouth or the buccal cavity is called the grinding machine of the human beings. Here in this, what happens, the teeth act as a grinder. They converts or broke the food into the smaller pieces, and this process of taking food is called ingestion. What does it called? It is called ingestion. Here when the food are churned into the small fine pieces, the food also get mixed with the saliva, and that saliva is secreted by salivary gland. And another important role of tongue, that is the muscular organ, it helps in mixing of the food with the saliva and also help in swallowing of the food through the esophagus. So buccal cavity is one of the most important part of the digestion. Now another is esophagus or food pipe. Food pipe is the connector in between mouth and stomach, and it helps in movement of the food or passing of the food from buccal cavity to the esophagus by the peristalsis movement. It is the types of movement in which food moves from buccal cavity to the stomach. Now another is stomach. Stomach secretes digestive juice. In it there is presence of dilute hydrochloric acid and mucus. The digestive system break down the protein. Hydrochloric acid makes it acidic by killing the bacteria, and mucus protect the wall of the stomach from the acid. These are the function of the stomach. This stomach is divided into three parts. Into how many parts it is divided? It is divided into three parts, and they are jejunum, caecum, and duodenum. Now another is small intestine. Its important role is small intestine is long coiled tube, and in it there is presence of digestive juice, that is called bile juice, and in it the liver is the largest gland in the body, and it secretes bile juice. Bile juice is secreted by the liver, and it breaks down the fat. The main function of the bile juice is to break down the fat. Also the pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice, and it breaks down the different carbohydrate, or you can say glucose and proteins. Intestinal juice completes the digestion of starch into the glucose, fats into fatty acid, and glycerol and protein into the different amino acids. After that, absorption and digestion food in the small intestine. The digested food is absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. You can see here, this is the walls of the small intestine. In the walls of the small intestine, there is a presence of villi, and this villi allow the absorbed food materials to pass through the blood vessel to the different cells in the body, and that process is called absorption. The small intestine has several finger-like projection, that is called villi, having the blood vessels, and these blood vessel helps to increase the surface area of absorption. The absorbed materia are carried by the blood to the different parts of the body and used by the body, which is called assimilation. That means the process of absorption of the dissolved or the digested food is called absorption, and that absorbed digested food is when get mixed to the blood and carried out to the different cells to perform the different types of metabolic activities, that is called assimilation. Another is large intestine. In the large intestine, water and some salts are present, and the remaining waste passes through the rectum and it is removed through the anus time to time. That is called the stool also, and that process is called egestion. That means the waste comes out through the rectum. Now dear student, again I am discussing the same thing. Human digestion is the such process in which the food is broken down into the simpler form. In this process, these are the parts which are involved, that means buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and rectum. These are the important part of the human digestion process, due to which the food is broken down into the simpler form. Other we will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye.